doesn't know how to shoot it, Donna.
So I'm wondering if the air cartridges are bad.
If I was a little mouse, I'd hate to have those two after me.
Okay, but see Molly's head. Come here, look at this. You can't even see her head. Look at this.
Donna?
Molly, stop.
I just don't know how to...
Okay, give that one to him.
There might be one pellet left in there. If there isn't, we'll do the other cartridge.
Oh, God.
Let me get... This one has This one's ready now. I think you have 3 or 4 left. You just need to cock it. No, just pull it back and fire.
Donna, are you going to get over here? Stop.
Right there.
Moby, stop. Stop, Molly. Are you just shooting, John?
I'm kidding you.
You're kidding me.
No.
Is it down here at all?
Hey, Molly!
Oh my gosh!
Molly Max! Molly Max!
It's inside. It's inside.
Oh my God, that's a rat. That's
What do you
not
need?
a mouse.
I need to bang it with something.
Oh my God, are you
I need to-
serious?
No!
Kill it with this.
Oh my God.
No, you're gonna break the bag!
John!
No!
Just,
Oh!
John, stop! He got it. He had to kill it. Oh my God. Oh my God, that was horrible. Don't move, Donna. Turn around. Oh my God, that was horrible. Oh. Oh my God. Did you kill it?
It's stunned.
It's not stunned. I heard all those bangs. That was not a mouse.
Oh!
Oh my God. Did it fall out?
Don't look.
Look at
Oh! Molly, get away from it! Molly!
Oh my God, John. Go put it in the trash.
I just...
Go put it in the trash.
You're showing the dog.
John!
What?
Put it in the trash now. School, put it in the trash. That is a rat. That is gross. Why do you have
It was
to
a big
choose-
mouse.
It was